Have you ever wondered why some guys leave such an unforgettable impression that people can to stop talking about them while others are forgotten within seconds? And why do some women keep thinking about a guy constantly, even when he isn't around? The truth is, making a woman miss you is not a game of luck. It's the formula of psychology, strategy, and attraction. Many guys think that ignoring a woman will make her miss them, but that's completely wrong. If you really want a woman to crave your presence, you have to touch her emotions in a way that she simply can to stop thinking about you. Today, we're breaking down the 6 lessons to make any woman miss you so much that she literally goes crazy thinking about you. Whether you're in a new relationship, dealing with a long-distance situation, or trying to revive an old connection. Lesson 1 is the power of absence. They say absence makes the heart grow fonder, but only if used correctly. If you're always available, constantly texting, calling, or present all the time, she won't even get the chance to miss you. Create controlled distance. Sometimes don't send the first message, delay your replies, and stay busy with your own life. That little space makes her wonder where you are and sparks longing. Even a short period of silence can be powerful enough to make her realize how much she misses talking to you. Lesson 2 is emotional connection over physical presence. A woman doesn't miss you just because you're not around. She misses how you make her feel. Create moments she can't forget. Talk about her dreams, fears, and passions. Share inside jokes or unique experiences that stay in her mind. Become her emotional safe space so she trusts you and feels secure with you. Small, thoughtful gestures, like a heartfelt message or making her laugh, leave a lasting impact and make her miss the feeling she gets with you. Lesson 3 is the push and pull effect. Attraction thrives on a balance of closeness and mystery. Give her full attention at times, make her feel special, then pull back slightly to create space. This contrast makes her appreciate your presence more and crave your validation. Don't reveal every detail of your life. Spark curiosity so she wonders what you're doing and when you'll reach out next. This unpredictability keeps the excitement alive. Lesson 4 is becoming the best version of yourself. Women miss men who are valuable and rare. Focus on personal growth, chase your goals, and show that your life doesn't revolve around her. Confidence, ambition, and a vibrant social life make you naturally attractive and hard to replace. When she sees that you're continuously evolving, she'll feel the fear of losing someone extraordinary. Lesson 5 is social proof and jealousy. When others value and admire you, your desirability skyrockets. Casually share fun moments or achievements so she sees that people enjoy being around you. A subtle hint of healthy competition can trigger her to invest more emotionally. Finally, lesson 6 is the lasting impression. The strongest longing comes from deep emotional imprints, inside jokes, meaningful conversations, or unique experiences that no one else can replicate. How you make her laugh, comfort her in tough times, or challenge her to grow will create an attachment she can't forget. Remember, this isn't manipulation. It's about becoming a high-value person, building real connections, and letting her naturally crave your presence. When you focus on self-growth, emotional depth, and a touch of mystery, you won't just be missed, you'll be unforgettable.